6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. Oh, 'cause girls like you.
Hello, hello. 10 minutes to vote for Miss Popularity. Orange Queen Contest. Minute rule 9 number May. Sela nakatukot ang mobile sa side hello po. Tunahaway minun ka sel na babay ko nenda. Mobile sel si mai babuang ngay ke. Mobile sa side hello minun sela na Tamenglong District Administration page katakot daw po. And then the event page. The 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018. Please click it on that. And follow the link accordingly with the names of the contestants to vote for Miss Popularity subtitle, which is sponsored by Misty Mountain, Tamenglong Tea, Entrepreneur, Mr. Tikwanang Panmai. 10 minutes to go. I have 9 minutes to go. Shall we do the countdown of the minutes and vote for Miss Popularity subtitle Orange Screen Contest 2018?
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
Hello Tamenglong Ngồi đài Atel tat palokan mai kan yu lun chogai min ko goi tai asai kum 15 state level orange festival thang contestant nun the kan yu lun goi de ni Hello Ani tong program hai asan ma khau ka hau khang sup ni the mai goi na ren ro sini akhang ka loi na khang lo kho Ting say trên anh này khán dung gọi khang đây nên nghe đứng xì mọi mấy thằng này xin đi khang cái loại na mà gọi na khang chấm là khô từ mấy ta cái loại này thì thay là ta bị tổn thế thuần cụ thể Hello Aram mi pang Zibri bang ai lên ni này tán bấm khâu Lá đèo là út à Ô Cấm khuẩn ấy nà Này tán mãi từ này ni Đào hai Này tên là bấm thế Niu khẳng Nụ cay mê lưu Mr. Khang Duong Long ria mai ASI Zia lao na Kuna stage hay là bùa Kuma nụ gai mê lưu Hay mê quay nâng kinh dặm Lau kho Hello, mi tuang lu hai Swan na bam mi dak khao ti thai เหล่านี้ tu mi thu lu hai swan na bam pani mi lu hai so loi kai kan the queen contest rehearsal hai ko makaka khao ta kai dan na bam pani e tu na ti thai เหล่า mi tuang hai thon ko te
Hello check Hello 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 Gan gai mai goi ni ta tri ngam kan the
Hello Miss Popularity subtitle voting in 1 minute now There will be a page the 15th state level orange festival 2018 please select the voting and vote for Miss Popularity contest along with the name tagged in the page
Jenna pa lo kan the na ka hao na pa lo the na ka Tan ni gai sui mai pu ta thung ta khon tho ai ni gai sui mai pui ta thong na tai kan ni the
Miss Popularity subtitle is closed now. Vote for Sina Pilo Conte and Lume, presenting you all again in Khang Duong Long Ria Mai on stage.
Mai bai na bang khon the nang Jenna pa lo kan the na ka hao na pa lo the na đi lung khâu quăng đặt phun lá khen đã cho cặp gan gan với quầy tay ô chân mây lệ ngắm phun đi cho in diện lâu quăng nghe khi ra con quầy tình bay bay na bấm khôn thế nào chân đã pa lâu cần thế nào cả hao na pa lâu thế nào ngui na pa lâu cần thế nào ô diễn vậy
Hello, mi hai lùi cái này thay rehearsal hay nói đó nhỉ? Mr. Khang Duộc Lung, rìa máy, ASI cái máy rồi lụt suốt chuyện là lâu mới quay nó bàn hiểu đấy, để hiểu lâu được không? À ra mi hai này tắt tên đi bàn hiểu mà, dính tên đi bàn hiểu mà, bàn hiểu chuyện này hiểu lâu được lùi khó. Tao lúc khát thấy xuân cái là cái này thay rehearsal hay bật nhỉ? Mi quay nó giao sủi lâu đó nó giao lâu được bộ.
nâng lung ninh chinh chinh cái là nè tụi bùi su khang đầu là bấm tụi sao
Hello, mi tuang lu hay lùi ấy thải, hậu coi căn men suy na cái này, tại tập bật lâu tập ni mới quậy na hù khẩu.
Jalu anai ta pati kham su khang đam lâu mang a khang đi thế tu na giờ lâu khăn mây in xa đi thế a ram jen hay lung ninh gai mây cả chun gai mây ta chia lâu khâu rồi a lung tất tua ghê nắng lung ninh a chinh chinh gây là na ta bơi su lâu khăn đào lâu bám tu chô a này gia na bám khâu nang rui sa kan mai la ka guang ai a lung khâu nai bam me a sai ngan a lung ka biu e lung ning gai mai ka chun gai mai ta chia lâu khâu rồi a lung cắt tua ghê nắng lung ninh a chinh chinh đây là na ta bơi su lâu khăn đào lâu bám tu chô chun gai mai ta chia lâu khâu rồi a lung cắt tua ghê nắng lung ninh a chinh chinh gai là na ta bơi su lâu khăn đào lâu bám tu chô
Hello, thuần cụ thể, Mr. Khang Duộc Lung rìa máy, xuân chui na xuân lâu mi khang cơ mà new trong minister hay, quang tăng lâu na bầm thế, cơ mà good bani thế, cơ mà giang rồi new trong function hay cả hậu khang super ni, เสียเราน่ะอะไรใหม่กระเตวทั้งตัวเธอเฮาก็ไอ้แท้วันนี้ดิ่งกันแล้วเรากันแน่ก็ไม่กินเสียเรานะไม่ค่อยนะบอมกระเสียมเราไม่เข้าหายไก่ดงเราตะปัวแต่นะรันนะแซงหวยได้ไม่ตัวไงรันไม่นะแซงหวยได้ไม่ตัวไงก็มันเสียเรานะกระเตวทั้งดงเรานะดิ่งเรานะบอมไม่นั่นกวยนะแต่เสียเรานะแวนิวเขาไก่เราว่าก็มันนั่นนี่ตรงMinister ให้กวงปนิเทก็ไม่ให้กวงตั้งเรานะบอมเทก็ไม่มาตักขัดไทยแท็กขัดตัวเราไว้ไทยกวงปนิเทก็ไม่แซงใคร stalls กระแปงแห้ง whether it may be of clothes eatables กอมลาตรง stalls ก็กวยนั่นเสียเรานะไม่กวยนะกดนะ venue เขาตรงเราพัวก็เลยนะ security นั่นก็กวยแต่นะ secure สเรานะบอมปนี้ปวดใจนั่นกวยตายก็ไม่แจ้งเราไม่กวยนั่นเสียเรานะสตอลสบามินุนก็กวยนี่ไม่ได้ปังโง่ให้บาไม่ตัวไทยกระหลงก็กุดงเราพัวตัวน่ะแจ้งให้เราตะกระลวยไม่ตัวเงี้ยอันนี้ตรงมินิสเตอร์ให้กวงไม่ไทยลอยนะนี่ตรงโปรแกรมให้กระเฮาปนิเทก็เลยนะกระเฮานั่นนี่บามเทนูกายไม่รู้ส่วนนี้สู้ไกลเรานะบาเม่กันนี่กวยนั่นแต่นี่ไปนะได้นะทนกุเอก็มันใส่ตัวอันนี้ตรง chief guest ไทยอันนี้เรื่องจะควงส่วนใหม่ honorable chief minister of Manipur Sri no sorry Chief Guest Sri L. Diko, Honorable Minister PHED Manipur, Lan Mai Lautane. Guest of Honor Sri Namsin Raipan Mai, Honorable Chairman Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, Kanai Rana Ginpi Kani, Guest of Honor Hai Sakwang Sumai Gin Hai Kanai Rana Lusulaupani. มีแต่รวยกันในทุไทยอันนี้ตรง cultural dance troupe เต้าแซมนำจี youth club กันนี่รวยนะคนรวยนาแลมมีแต่ฮาวายมีแต่เจ้าสามเหล่าปนี้มีแต่รวยกันไทยนิวรัชกรสมัย deputy commissioner ตะแมงลอง Sri Ravinder Singh ก็ไม่รู้นะ welcome speech แต่ละเหล่าปนี้ริวเหล่าไม่ละซาแต่ละเหล่าปนี้มีแต่รวยกันในไทย dignitaries ปังแต่ริวเหล่าไม่ตวง presentation of gifts ไทยตีเหล่าปนี้มีแต่รวยด้วยกันในไทยนุก้อยไม่รู้ special song หายฟิอน่ากอยไม่ก็เขารันนิวนุกรวยเราตุปนี้มีแต่รวยด้วยกันในไทยนิวรณสักควงสมัยกิน guest of honor Sri Namsin Raipan ไม่ chairman Tamenglong Autonomous District Council ก็ไม่รณ speech ไทยตีเรากันปนี้มีแต่รวยกันในไทย Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 ตัว winner Miss Guidil Liu Gang ไม่ก็เขารันนุก้อยไม่รู้แต่ส่วนเราตุปนี้มีแต่รวยกันในไทยอากุนนับใหม่ใส่ล้วนรุนปงูตังไม่ state level orange festival ตัว orange competition ตัว results กันนี่ prizes ไทย chief guest นันติปัดเราปนีมีแต่รวยกันไทยเฮากายกันไม่ bamboo dance ไทย ICI cultural dance troupe นันแลมเราตุปนีมีแต่รวยกันไทยอันนี้ไม่ก้อยนะเรานำมาจุดนะบ้าไม่ใส่อันนี้ตัว chief guest honorable minister PHED มณิปุรกับเขาเรนะ speech ไทยจูเลาเลนะมีแต่รวยกันภูมิกันเขา stalls ก้อยไทย dignitaries บางเรนะ visit สลาวปนีตัวไม่ให้ไม่ก้อยนะเขาที่ไทยแล้วมีตัวเงกวางเรานะบ้าไม่นุ่นก็ก้อยนะเสียเรานะในให้สุดท้ายนะบ้าปุษณีอันนี้ตัว minister กวางนี่มีที่ให้ริวจุยนะริวเราคอกำลังนะ minister ให้ตากุดเราป่วยด้วยไทยเสียเรามาป่วยนะแถวดิ่งเราปนี้ก็ไม่เรื่องนักบัมแต่ลาเรากันในไทยทั้งเบียร์ทั้งโดยตรงไก่เราตะท่อตัวนะสามักสินีนะ minister นะตรงไก่เรากันป่วยไทยไม่ป่วยนักบัมแต่กษีเราตะปนิเทตัวไม่ป่วยนะเขาที่ไทยแล้วมีตัวไงทนก็แต่ฮัลโหลอันนี้ตัว Honorable Minister PHED Stationery and Printing Manipur Sri L. Diko ให้กวงตังเรานะบอมเทกำลังนะ President Honorable Chairman ก็หมายให้นี่กวงตังเรานะบอมเท on the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018. Quang tăng lâu na bầm thế, kamay hay tạt cú lâu pani kabam lỡ khang, kamay tạt cú mi ta hawi thay máy mà thiêu na theo đình lâu kho. The chief guest for today's function, Sri L. Diko, Honorable Minister, PHED, Stationery and Printing, Manipur, along with the dignitaries, a guest of honor, Honorable Chairman, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, Sri Namsin Rai Pan Mai. Kaniu guay na rabam hay lalaw kanay thai, ani may guay na kabam lalaw pani. Cultural dance team, Tausem, Namchi Youth Club, tại ready solo búa, mi trong backstage cao. Bom hay lo kan te, mi gọi na bon hiu suy na hiu lau khó. Kama kabam la the búa thuan ku the. And now we have cultural dance from Tausem Namchi Youth Club. I request the Tausem Namchi Youth Club to please take the stage for the cultural dance, which will be followed by welcome speech from our respected Sir Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong. Tausem Namchi Youth Club rồi na học gọi mi làm tên tèo hay làm lộc ní mi gọi na giáo giọng lộc kho Zeleng rong cái điều toàn lưu rồi nó có mấy hi là quê Zeleng rong lung bầm dẻo limin sắm kề India de ghe hazim leo nang heliam leo nang indra leo Pumkat luza, harwa luza, nang lim suza, intan samke. Zelengrong dance. Together we the Zelengrong and let's dance to the tunes in the land of our mother India. Jame girls, Liang girls, and Rong girls as one entity. Together we shall dance and sing as brothers and sisters.
เ
nam si youth club nam nơi lim ngau ít sang đó là to kêu sang da nang nơi boi do ngau i sang da to kêu sang đó là thank you so much mấy quan nó bon hiu suy này hiu lâu tôi khó tao xem nam chi youth club.
Thank you. Leaving behind, we have welcome speech, which will be taken up by the Deputy Commissioner, Sri Ravinder Singh. Sir, may we invite you on the stage for the welcome speech.
Honorable Minister, PhD, Shri L. Dikho, Honorable Tamenglong ADC Chairman, Shri Namsindre Panme, Honorable Members of Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, my dear orange growers, media persons, and citizens of Tamenglong. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of this year's Orange Festival. I congratulate everyone present here today as we approach the end of this memorable event. It started with the Christmas Colors program on the eve of the event, in which we celebrated the spirit of Christmas. During the event, we saw participation from 173 orange farmers throughout the district who came here to showcase and sell their products. We also conducted the best orange competition, the results of which will be announced shortly in this program. The next step is to use the database of orange growers that we have collected and to use it for planning initiatives aimed at promoting orange cultivation. The state government has also already promised to take steps in this direction. In the seminars, we gave technical information to the farmers yesterday so that they can improve their cultivation practices. Now, we have planned to put all that information in a simple way in form of pamphlets, posters, and distribute it to the farmers at village level so that even those who are not able to attend this festival, even to them we will be able to give this information. We were also able to successfully conduct adventure sports like rafting, kayaking, camping and trekking in some of the most picturesque locations in Manipur, where we witnessed participations even from tourists outside of Tamenglong. The evening entertainment shows have also been very popular with huge number of people coming out to watch. However, this is not the end. The festival may be ending today, but the important work will begin now. Through publicity of Orange Festival in national media, we have managed to generate interest among several NGOs and members of the food processing industry. The need of the hour is to translate these gains into long-term benefits for the farmers. We are looking for small-scale, innovative solutions for providing the market linkages to all the orange farmers. If we are able to achieve these objectives in time for the next year's Orange Festival, then only the true spirit of the Orange Festival will be honored. I would also like to take this opportunity to once again thank the state government and NEC for sponsoring this festival and making this event possible. Moreover, I would also like to thank all the dignitaries who have taken time out of their busy schedule and showed their support for the Tamenglong Oranges by coming here today. Let us all pledge to work together to achieve the objectives of the Orange Festival. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your heartfelt welcome speech.
Hello. We shall now have the presentation of gifts to the dignitaries by the 15th State Level Orange Festival Committee. The first gift shall be given to the chief guest of today's function, Sri L. Dikho, Honorable Minister, PhD, Manipur. I would like sir to kindly stand. Sri Diko is also the Minister for Stationery and Printing as well. Thank you, sir. The next gift would be given to the guest of honor, Sri Namsindrai Panmai, Honorable Chairman, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council. The next gift shall be given to our Deputy Commissioner, Sri Ravinder Singh. Gift for the rest of the dignitaries shall be given by the committee. After the presentation of gifts, we will listen to a special song. This will be sung by Fiona Goemai. So I'd like to request Miss Fiona to be ready. Miss Fiona, the stage is yours.
Hello, hello. Aruna Swalani Meduhai, A Million Dreams. I hope everyone will be blessed as you listen to this song. I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, and it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I design, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. It's every night and night, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Miss Fiona Goimai, for your beautiful song. Next, we have a speech from guest of honor, Honorable Sri Namsinray Panmai, Chairman, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council. Sir, may we invite you on the stage?
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ Chief Guest Shri L. Deco, Ministers, PhD, Honorable Vice Chairman, Executive Members, all members, ADC Tamenglong, Deputy Commissioner Ravinder Singh, Tamenglong, District Officer Singh, press, media, Orange Grow, social organization saying ngasi 15 suba tramnga suba Orange State Level Festival aroiba numit asida lakpiriba mayambu ishorgi mingdigi thagatsaba phongdoksabani ngasi Tamenglong district asida komla ge festival tauribasi sahi taramnga sure ngasi aroiba numit asida akoina sakhiba matamdudagi ngasina kari performance kya muk phabra haibisu mayam na khangam gani komla thab singna komla si kramai na improvement legini komla si kramai hena puthok pangam gani haina wakhan thadaram gani matam kharada komla si panbi si sirak pagi wakhan wana Tamenglong district asi panbi si siraga komla si hauba ngamaroi komla si puthokpa ngamaroi hana leirambani handak tramanga suba state level gi festival asida komla puthokpasi kadai digino komla di afaba ngakta puthoi aduna komla si akhoi state level gi oina akhoi hojik si festival si pangthoi bani district headquarter Tamenglong si komla festival natana atopa festival di ayam masu atopa su tauri adubo komla si di akhoi district level state level haina hojik si state level gi kumai oina pangthoi masi akhoi gi damak tadi maru oibane haina mayam si launa ramgani komla gi farm tauriba orange grow mayam sida aina pukning thogat pigi wahi amani khakta haijage pukchen singna komla si akhoi district level state level khaktana natana atopa lamdam so akhoi gi komla si puthokpa ngamna naba hotna si haibisi mayamda ai thamjage akhoi district level su akhoi hotna ba yabasu akhoi orange grower singda farmer singda akhoi pangba yabasu pangjage akhoi na state level da pursue tawba yabasu akhoi na hairaga darka leba mayamdi akhoi su hairaga lege haibisi ngasi farmer singda orange farmer sing grow singda wahi ama si thamjage ai yam ngangjararoy ngasi akhoi gi damak tedi komla si hena akhoi Tamenglong district asi komla si maru oibani haibsi mayam lausi mathangi sahi desu asi ngasi dagi hena akhoi festival tawba ngamna basu hotna raga laisi haibsi wahi amani thamjage adukti akhoi Christmas season lakpanina lakpiriba mayam akhoi participate tawba competition tawgadaba mayam sidasu lakpiriba mayam da ishorgi afaba bor pibiba oisnu haiba wahi ama anisi thamjare hariga asidagi loisinjarge thank you
Tuan Kuwe, ani rana sakong samay guest of honor, Sri Namsin Rai Panmay, Honorable Chairman, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, Kamay rana. Ani migoy nakang kagyanay milatay address su tui na sulaw mikang tapay na dahil na Tuan Kuwe, kumanay na bame ani ukang zingbang kanay tay. Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2, tong competition run na takay kane, mikaw tay winner lalaw kanmay. Miss Guidiliu Gang Mai, the winner of the Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2, Guidiliu Gang Mai will be performing with her mentor, Mr. Gainilong Pan Mai. She is studying in class 7 and she is the winner of the second season Tamenglong's Got Talent, the 15th State Level Lawrence Festival 2018. Presenting you all, Guidiliu Gang Mai.
Hello, chick. Hello. 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 Hello, hello. Just an illusion. I've been told about living like the stars. Hotel champagne and caviar. But no one ever showed me the rivers. And that really hard, baby, it really hard. They try to sell your body and your soul. It's the price you pay for rock and roll. And no one understands it, how you feel. For it's so unreal. Oh, it's so unreal. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew all I should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. When critics crucify your latest show, another drink and then you lose control. And then on stakes I feel a fireball. There is no return, I'm always on the run. I give it to you, buried on my heart. For it's not too late, oh, it's not too late. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew all I should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. So baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew all I should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Xuân Truy sang tên này nghe. First love you tên này nghe. Xuân Truy thế cảm ơn. Would like to wish you all the best. I think you'll have singing as your career. All the best to you. Up next, we have the declaration of Orange competition results and handing over of the prizes. Altogether, there were 173 participants or competitors. It was not a very easy thing to judge out of these 173. The prize, the prize money of this competition is 1,50,000 for the first, 1 lakh for the second, and 75,000 for the third. There are 17 consolation prizes. The prize money is 20,000 each. The rest of the 153 would also get a sum of 5,000 rupees each. We shall now declare the results. We'll begin from the third. The third is Ramke Liu Gang Mai, wife of DC Young Gang Mai. Saitong orange competition called first, second, third, Kang prize the Papane. Kabam Kutum Ko Guang Mirana, Ramke Liu Gang Mai, Sangdai. Nzelana Guang Lalapo, Ham Lapoto, prize high. Stall number 60. Stall number 60. Form number 113. Ramke Liu Gang Mai. Ramke Liu Ani tuang su Huang Sumai, Deputy Commissioner Shri Ravinder Singh Rana, third prize high, Ramke Liu Gang Mai, third Lakan Mai, Aram Sengdai Makang Tipa Punithe. May way na ban hiloko, so streeting te, 75,000 rupees, 75,000 rupees. We would like to request the guest of honor, Shri Nam Senrai Panmai, to give away the second prize. The second prize is backed by stall number 99, Gai Sung Liu of Sibilong Village. Gai Sung Liu, Sibilong Mai, stall number Riskin Rescue, Nzelana Natong, second prize the Hai Gunga Hamla Puto. Heputong second prize Hai, Shri Nam Senrai Panmai, guest of honor, Honorable Chairman TADC Runa Tipapani. Aram Sibilong Mai, Gai Sung Liu, stall number 99, form number 35. Nang tong suan la katong suan nagong lalato. So trading te. Ini tong guest of honor na second prize lakan makang ten tawai. Check tay tipa bamitong te. 1 lakh rupees lakh akatong check tipa bamitong te. Banhiwo mo na jelaw na banhiwo ko. Thank you, sir. First, Saikum Kamlo competition kau first lakan miruna Aram Sibilong may damoy the. Gai Gubliu to mepui Aram Sibilong may stall number 102, 38, form number 38 kamairuna first lakan the Saikum 2018 Orange competition tuang. I would like to request the chief guest Shri L. Diko, Honorable Minister PhD Manipur to hand over the prize. First, hai Aram Sibilong mai Gagublu to may piro na lakante. Katong son hai 150,000 lakh akanasing ringute. Gagublu Sibilong, stall number Pakanakanai. Guang Pute Nay La Lang Natada Thai Chang Mak Pizza de Thai Guiding Thai 150,000 to trading Thai. Consolation prize megon runa sanai phang pane stage ka hogong ngang the nani tong prize ha account ko ka magolau pane the ki jan na ka pa pa lau pane Padai Mikhail, stall number 19, Zauziandai Gang Mai Kang Siluan Mai. Pangu Mikharona, stall number 39, Chamdan Liu Ram Siluan Mai. Saruk Mibam Rana, stall number 40, Sien Khao Liu Siluan Mai. Stanai Mikhail, stall number 44, Rigdai Napadai. Putri Liu, Pa Mai, Kahulong. 8, Tasan Mebam Rana, stall number 47, Hyuda Liu Gang Mai, Kahulong. Sakyu Mebam Rana, stall number Ringu Nakanai, 52, Sinkyu Buan Liu Gang Mai, Sangdai Mai. Ru Mebam Rana, stall number Ringu Napangu, 55, Gai Kam Liu, Aram Sangdai. 11, Runakhat Mibam Rana, stall 63, Kyuta Liu Gang Mai, Aram Sengdai Mai. Runakanai position Rana, stall number Riksruk Napadai, Diling Liu Pan Mai, Aram Sengdai. Runakathom Mibam Rana, stall number 81, Kai Huang Pao Mai, Aram Sengdai. Stall number 14, position Runapadai Mibam Rana, stall number 82, Hudi Yang Pao Mai Sangdai. Runa Pungo Mebam Rana, stall number Ektasana Padai, Hungan Nang Pan Mai Sangdai. Runa Sorong Mebam Rana, stall number 85, Bon Kam Liu Pan Mai Sangdai. Runa Sanai Mebam Rana, stall number Riskuna Pungu 95, Don Rai Liu Gang Mai Sibilong. Runa Tasad Mebam Rana, stall number 98, Rahen Liu Sibilong. Runa Skill Mebam Rana, stall number 103, Gaini Liu Gon Mai Sibilong. Stall number 20, position 20 Rana, stall number 105, Tabu Liu Ka Mai Singkuang Long. Henun Pangai, 20,000 rupees each Pang Benite, Kamak Newton account, Kung Lao Benite. Zielona Katuang account number, title, Kalpakan Mi Pang Tai, account number to Gong Akawa Jackson Talo the Poor. Presentation lang to orange competition to result to ang prize di pa melang to karong alaw the.
Thank you. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and to all the participants for your hard work and labors. Up next, we have presentation of cultural dance from ICI Church, Volteng Vai, which they will be performing a bamboo dance. ICI dance troupe, please.
Bamboo dance team rena kagal lo na ba mida khao megoi na tong attention lo nie urmila chanam tu me pui hai mi bam khong tang lo na ba me kamai hai ani megoi na rona thai tree na thai na ba mi pui yen 2 minute na niu ka goi khang pai na lungning gut na ta lo mi pui ye khani kamai hai award pai nam phang mi pui ye United Nations Office for Project Service ka ta na ba me Government of India Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation ka ba me Ambassador of World Pearls Komlena UNFPA National Ladli Award sa kamay phang mi puye award pa inam phang mi puye ka zan hai urmila chanam kamay rona breaking the silence campaign hai me gwai nan 2 minute aniu ka gwai na rog wan rona dam mi khau aniu ko ka lai me ka sak dam lo na ba me bu gan khau ka lai na tat na ba me azu ka gwai tong lam ko kamay rona pai nan than thiep tu na long ni mi lam ko dil lo na ba me khani kamay rona pai nan sam lo na ba me mi tong zang khoroi riak azu roi pu pau dau tong pai nun tuang riak rồi na anh yêu ta cái rắc cái bấm khang rập mà gai rắc cái bấm khang rập mà gai có mấy kì อันนี้ตัวมีตรงไพรท์ไทยนายนะอันนี้ไม่ก็เอ็นตัดกูนะบัมนี่นะเด้ตัวมีตรงลำเขาก็ไม่ให้ซาเล้าคางตัวนักวงตั้งเรานันนี่บัมเม่กษัตริย์ให้อุรมิลาจานัมตัวนี้ไม่ก็เอ็น Facebook YouTube ก็ก็เอ็นนะคะอันนี้เจ้าตัวเราปุ่นนี้ก็มากระลำให้กระติดนะคะซาเล้าได้มีตรงไง presenting you all legate ICI Church Valching Phai Bamboo Dance Troupe
siêu siêu tròn ban vây môi à rin quang thu à mor ven khen khen kết kết khen khen kết kết xin lại lên rồi ra lên ăn môi sôi ra quỳ em đi tu ya đi na pi tu ta sun suk na si khô vang te lâu chi te ni ru thar num kho num na si quỳ khung rồi in lâu ni lê đi con ro vai môi suy rong in ngồi con vai ba tu rồi là căn đêm phôi siêu siêu sung tu gió la lên ru kim tên ngân cân nung thấy voi siêu siêu tròn ban vây môi à rin vang thu à mor ven khen khen kết kết khen khen kết kết xin lại lên ru ra lên ngân môi soi ra quỳ em đi tu ya đi na pi tu ta sung suk la si khô vang te lâu chi hey ni ru thar num kho num na si quỳ khung rồi in lâu ni lê ghé con ro vai ngồi suy rong một sắc in ngồi con vai ba tu rồi là căn em ngồi siêu siêu sung tu gió la lên ru kim tên ngân cân nung thấy voi siêu siêu tròn ban vây môi à rin vang thu à mor ven khen khen kết kết khen khen kết kết xin lại lên ru ra lên ngân môi soi ra quỳ em đi tu ya đi na pi tu ta sung suk la si khô vang te lâu chi hey ni ru thar num kho num na si quỳ khung rồi in lâu ni lê ghé con ro vai ngồi suy rong một sắc min ngồi con vai ba tu rồi là căn em phôi siêu siêu sung tu gió la lên ru kim tên ngân cân nung thấy voi siêu siêu tròn ban vây môi à rin vang thu à mor ven khen khen kết kết khen khen kết kết xin lại lên ru ra lên ngân môi soi ra quỳ em đi tu ya đi na pi tu ta sung suk la si khô vang te lâu chi hey ni ru thar num kho num na si quỳ khung rồi in lâu ni lê ghé con ro vai ngồi suy rong một sắc min ngồi con vai ba tu rồi là căn em ngồi siêu siêu
Wow, this dance is also known as Faltren Toklam. Thank you so much, ICI Church Valtingphai, Kalome, Anale, Interocom, Anal Kobel. Thank you so much. And now we shall have a speech from our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri L. Diko, Honorable Minister, PHED, Manipur, to please take the podium to address Tamenglong. Thank you so much.
Honorable Chairman, ADC Tamenglong, the guests of honor of today's function, all the honorable ADC members, respected DC, SP Tamenglong, all the district level officers, dignitaries on the stage, public leaders, church leaders, most importantly, the orange growers, press and media friends, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to be here this morning to witness the final day of the Orange Festival and distributions of prize. And it's also a great privilege for me to witness the different cultural program and talents that our people have. This afternoon, I bring Christmas greetings to all of you on behalf of our Honorable Chief Minister and our state government. This is a season for all of us to remember the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. The Christmas has come and we are in the festive mood of Christmas. It's a great day for all of us today. I want to once again congratulate the orange growers, whoever participated and trying to promote the very important activity for our people, for our land, for our state. This is a very, very important initiative. The people of Tamenglong, the leaders, along with the government of Manipur, initiated this festival in order to promote our economy in our state. Aina yen bada nakhoishu aigi Manipuri si tagadaba male ai mitelon Manipuri da mitelon nateba Manipuri da haige Ishwar si yam phae Ishwar na akhoi bo yam nusibane akhoi gi Manipur da Ishwar na simba matanda matam yam change haina tai yam phajaba sheme Ishwar na as mana simba da Manipur si yangraga asyam phajaine amuka phajaba pige haina Ishwar na simba male nate simba ni aye Tamenglong simba matanda su mana chin phajaba jaga phajaba yam simba ni hai
aduda mana as masida mi shu phajaba pigini masa phajaba mi shu phajaba jaga shu phajaba pigini haina ishorna sheme aduda mana as masida di orange shu thage orange thaba jaga ma shemge haina ishorna sheme haine masi ishor gi program ni go masida akhoina hojidi ishorna akhoi bukri pibra haibidu akhoina khallaga shidi ishorna phajana piba atop pot amane haina akhoi gi Tamenglong gi mina thiraga orange thaba si ishor gi mathone ishor gi will ne this is God's will masida blessing yam lakni akhoina ishorna akhoi bo pot aphaba piraga akhoina khandeba akhoina honor to deba akhoina preserve to deba akhoina promote to deba then we are nobody we can consider us very very ungrateful people nashidi akhoidi ishorna piba akhoina honor to raga akhoina identify to raga akhoina respect to raga akhoina preserve to bodu promote to bodu we are doing the will of God ishorna panba akhoina thabak to bani akhoi blessing yam lakini go. So today I want to congratulate all of you for preserving, for acknowledging and remaining grateful to God. Masi yam phawne, masi da scope yam lere, future yam lere, masi kanna promote to she haina ai amuka haininge. Hojik si matam khara, I see National Horticulture Board gi under the Ministry of Agriculture. 10 years back, I board member oina oibani for 3 years term. Madida in one of the national seminar, one of the very very senior IS officer in the level of joint additional secretary and the commissioner of horticulture. Mokoi anido yamna argument amatobni. Madida big argument about orange gida. Amana haibani. Orange, what we have in India orange is nothing comparing to Tamenglong orange. I know go. Tamenglong ki orange da man kana praise toba. Adu horticulture ki commissioner duna. Don't tell me I know better than you. I 35 years of my service in particular in horticultural field. Don't teach me I know Tamenglong. I know mashu magi go ego du thokreba. So I was listening as a people from Manipur. How people praise about Tamenglong orange. The taste is different. Taste shoot ba. Ko mashi gumachi atopa jagada phande bane. So aina nasai habu gumna ishorna pibanina hojidi yam kanna akoi thabak togada bane. Now there are so many things atopa thabak shu atopa sector da shu thabak toba ngame, but you are been blessed. Ishona no blessed people ina. The land is suitable for orange. Akhoi dasu Senapati dasu Ukhul dasu Chandel Tamenglong Churachampur dasu Chin lebrina. But no ida aphabat hoeba. In that case there is something special amalaria bako. So taking this privilege akhoi yam kana toga dubani. Hojidi because of the situation, yamna nungaiba ama any kind of product, any kind of agriculture product, horticulture product, communication, transport, masi yam muru iba yam darka oibane. Tamenglong communication patte. That was once upon a time hindrance nearby. But today, railway is coming. Railway is coming very shortly. It is almost about to complete. Machida Nawaigi transportation problem later. We have to go for in a big way cultivation. You don't need even cool storage also. Vegetable consumption mean a direct chaba. Demand yam later. India is a huge country. No in a product produce to bangam gadra, supply to bangam gadra. Even fresh fruit, table consumption gida. Juice send the vida. Is that possible for us to supply? All India da supply to get How much will be our economy? Adu railway lak revenue masida koi target to gadabani. And today, I want to challenge the youth. Nashigi price panba midu. Only ima hoy neba, all mothers, they can't do much. But the youths, what are you doing? Among us, is there any industrialists? Inakubami labra. There is nobody in our society. Comparing to other people, you thought that IS officers, IPS officers, MCS officers, politicians, ministers, MLAs, moina inakumbami oi gini haina nakoi believe to bra. It is not. It is not right. But today, the rich people should be the industrialists, the farmers. Scope labanina. Now it is the right time for the youths of Tamenglong district to participate in these activities. Yam nakana toro. It is possible. It is the determination. It is the commitment. I experienced Levi Haibane. It was me who brought the passion for cultivation into the horticultural map of our country. Yam na tobne adubo viable oideba. Viable oidit orange na viable oidune. So today I challenge the youth. Take up. Don't always depend on the government. Government will support you. Technical matters, government will support you. But you have to invest yourself. Me amana, farmer amana. 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh plant cultivate toba ngamde. It is possible. When I was doing my work, I could cultivate for 10 hectares of fruit alone. I ngamene. Why not you? Why don't we become rich? Why don't we promote the economy of our people? Don't ever believe that only being an officer, being a politician can be a rich man. No, it is not. But the industrialists, the farmers can bring change in our society. The whole world is depending on the farmers. The whole world is depending on the industries. Mashini ba. Aduda mashida yamna ishorna piba ama jaga ama lebrina. Today, the youth of Tamenglong, don't remain silent. Don't remain lazy anymore. I don't say that you're not doing, you're doing, you may be doing, but we need to see the result. Many of you should become millionaires, and it is possible. When the railway is crossing through your heart of your town, heart of your district, when the fruit is very favorable for you people to cultivate, the demand of the market is endless. Our country, huge market is there in India. Masida ngamdredi. What can we expect more? Should we ask God to create another universe for us, another avenue for us? We cannot wait for that. Our forefathers, our elders, kumla thabashi phae hena moina koibo demonstrate to rebanina. Why should we wait and think? Act now. Don't depend from chief ministers. Don't depend from your MLAs to give grant, loan every day. Technical inputs, department will give. Scientific method, department may give. But you have to invest yourself. Youth, where is your education gone today? Many of our youths go into Delhi and come back with MA, master degree, post-graduation degree, and come here and be a small school teacher. And they are unemployed. It is wrong. If you are unemployed, you are no more useful for the society. You should employ yourself. There is an avenue. So with these few words, coming here today on this particular day to celebrate the God's glory, God's gifted land, I once again congratulate the people who are taking this initiative to promote, to help our people, to help our state. Once again, call upon the youths to be a part in this great avenue. Secondly, I want to request the people of Tamenglong that we have initiated some important project, our government and Department of Water Supply, PHED, has also started one important project for Tamenglong Headquarter. Masida progress yam chale, adubo public contribution, public support, public participation yam darkar oire. In order to reach the target, we need your support. Any government project, we need people's support. Machida aina kanna request toning our target to fulfill and to give water supply, better water drinking supply to Tamenglong District Headquarter is through this project, what we have been doing now, financed by NEC. We want to target this one by 2020 to complete it and supply water to you. Besides that, we have some land issues. I want to request the landowners and the public to cooperate and expedite the implementation of the project. Aduga akwai gi department gi water supply shi yam namuru oibanina. We are trying to reach water supply to every household by 2022. Government of India is very serious and they have in principle approved to take up the project in a big way. And here we want to once again request you to cooperate us and participate. Cooperate us in the sense, conserve the environment. If you cut one tree, you must plant two. If you orange plant, one plant died, you must plant two. That should be the way in order to save our land, our resource, our water, our environment. Therefore, I once again would like to request our people to be more participative in the process of development, also preserving our environment. Once again, with these few words, I want to express my gratefulness for allowing me to be a part of this festival, of this great festival. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sri L. Diko, the chief guest of today's function, the Honorable Minister, PhD, Stationery and Printing. Thank you so much for those meaningful words with lots of wonderful insights. Your interest in orange, your concern for Tamenglong is highly appreciated. Let us hope Tamenglong orange will be known and found all over the country soon. Thank you so much for coming to our district for this 15th state level Orange Festival as the chief guest. We wish you all the best in your work. The people of Tamenglong also wish you a very, very happy Christmas 2018 and a happy New Year 2019. With this, we come to the end of today's celebration. The chief guest and the dignitaries would be visiting the stalls now. Stall kabangay menunggoy na tayo minister na ani tong chief guest akani guest of honor kani may bay may dignitaries goy tayo zao kung tapat pa ne may zao ko na kabam kata bam chui na bam lawo riu se na riu law na po na tithai pitong stall tayo so krang bam riu mai gom khata bam tan law na po. Sai dong chief guest kani ba may dignitaries guai na stall visit to may na sai kang to loi may supinite may guai na tapay na tungku the di na tanbam ka dung siri rilaw na king siri rilaw na bam khang tai pay na tungku pitong the stall tai visit su loi kan di ho tahat tapalaw da kai rio. Things in high, Hong Pungu Kokahau the Pane, Mikau High Zelingrong Film Forum, Akani Bye Bye Ma New Tuang, local artist Pangrana performs Sugai Pane, ให้ก็มาออเรนจ์เลียมาตรงคอนเทสต์นี้ปงสรุปเขาก็มานายดับนี่ไม่แซงคนนั้นมุกยนักวงซีนักวงเราผัวกำลังไงนะสับไม่แต่ตัวทงคำไม่ติมิกดิเทอาสารมุขรวยกันนี่ดิเทใส่ติงเจนนะ last ดิเท last ก็ให้ควีนคอนเทสต์ก็มานายบัมเทไม่แซงคนนั้นใส่จิมบังให้นับตัวใจไม่ละเกปวนลุ่มไม่ปิวละเกให้ผู้บัมเขาให้รวยมีตัวแต่ไม่กูเอ็นะในล้านนะกระดำรถสามโคเต็มแต่ก็มาที่ไทยเราต้องไปตรงเท The evening program will begin at 5 o'clock. There will be performances from Tamenglong Film Forum and various other local artists. That will be at 5 p.m. At 6 p.m. there will be the contest of the Orange Queen 2018. So I would like to request the public to come on time and witness these two last items, so to say.
And all of this happens because the world is waiting for one child. Black, white, yellow, no one knows. But a child that would grow up and